This is my favorite way of making foundation single crochets. You start with a slip knot. Then you chain 2. And working on the back pump of the very first chain, you will insert your hook in there and make an extended single crochet, which means yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. This is your very first stitch. Now at the bottom, you will want to pick 2 strands, those bottom 2 strands, and you're going to work another extended single crochet there. Pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. You can see where those 2 strands are. You're going to insert your hook right there in that gap, making sure that you have 2 strands, and work your next stitch. So you will repeat this for as many stitches as you need. Once you're happy with the amount of stitches that you need, you simply start working onto that first stitch like you normally would. The reason why this is my favorite technique for making foundation single crochets is that you don't get a really big gap after working that first row. Also, since you have that lovely edging at the bottom, you can always work on the top loops of those stitches and leave the bottom loops free to create a lovely edging when you work a neckline or some kind of ribbing or something else underneath. To create an even neater ending, you can undo that slip knot you made, pull the yarn through, and then finish off like that. And that creates an even prettier and neater edging. And there you go.